Hello everyone, my name is Grant Andrew Ndibagoba, a student of MIT from Makerere University, and today I'm here to show you on how to use the Tulip software. I'm basically going to use my data about airports, the airports and their routes, which I've gotten from cargo.com. So let me start by showing you the data. Here it is. These are my nodes. Yeah, basically the nodes are the airports, whereby you can see that we have ID, airport code, full name, country, latitude, and longitude. So I cleaned this data a little bit so that it can fit my needs. And then here are the edges. So you can see the edges are here. Basically, edges are the routes whereby you can see source ID, destination airport ID, then destination airport and stuff like that. So let's start by importing our data. You come here and then import CSV. Then you come on, you press that, and then you go to my desktop, and then import nodes. You start by importing nodes. Then you make sure that the field separator is a comma. And then you come and then you go to next. I'm going to click on existing existing entities on nodes. Then I'm going to identify them by airport code. And then I will import a new graph. So there we are. And then I will go ahead and import now my edges. So come here, and then I come on import edges. Come import edges, make sure the separator is a comma. So then you go forward, and you go forward, and then you can come here, new relations edges. So you make sure this is also source airport code, since the other side we chose code, and then this is destination airport code, and then you import graph. So you give it some time. As you can see, our data is being populated over here. Just a minute. Let me do this. Yep. So this is our data, but we want to visualize it further. So we are going to put it on a geographic view. So you come here, you double click, and then you put in geographic view. Oh, actually, let me do this. Let me add a pan so that you can see. So you come here, geographic view. You want it to be on a geographic view. You press OK. Then you come here. I love coming here by latitude, and then this is latitude property. Okay, and then here you make sure it is longitude, and then generate. Uh, you leave it to generate the what? You leave it to generate the data, so you can see. As you can see, it has generated the data. So you can come here on algorithms now. Algorithms. Algorithms. Oh, sorry. I want to search auto sizing. So let it give it time as it searches. Okay, so here it is, auto sizing. Then you press OK. Then you can see it has automatically sized them. So I can, by the way, I want to come back here on scene, and then on scene I'll make sure that I put color because I need them colored. Then I also want them to have the arrows for easy showing where these routes go to. And then that one, I think that one is okay. So you can see to zoom in, you can see the arrows now. Yeah? You can see the arrows. So okay, just need it to a little bit. Okay, let me first put it on center view. Okay, there we are. So I think I can come here on color mapping. An algorithm. I want to do some color mapping, and then in results, I think I'm gonna leave it to view color. Then type, I'm gonna put it on enumerated, and then property, I'm gonna change it. I want it to be property. I'm gonna put it by country. Yeah. So I think the rest can be okay. The rest is okay. Okay, that's okay. So come here. Then to ask me this, I'm gonna come here on interpolated color so that it can distribute colors evenly. All right. I think let me do this. Okay, let us first try this and we see. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Then I think we can. This is okay. So without wasting any time, let us also go and add another panel. I want us to add a node link diagram. So you can come here, node link diagram, and give it some time as it creates the diagram. So we were here. Sorry, let me first save this project. So you can come and save us. I'm gonna save it on desktop, and then I'm just gonna put airport data. Let me just save it as airport data and save. So that we are safe. And then I think node link diagram. Here it is. This is our node link diagram, but we want to change it a little bit. So let me see. We want to put in some layers. Let me see that. Yeah, H3 helper. Okay, not connected. Okay, here it is. So I'm just want to put some force directed. Oh, sorry. Force directed. Okay, that one is okay. So here it is. But okay, there. So that is it for now. Then I think we can also add another panel. Let me save my work. Then I can add another panel. Adjacency. Okay, here, matrix view. So let's give it some time. Okay. So here is the adjacency matrix view, and as you can see it, I think I'm going to add some things here on ordering property. I'm going to select country, and then I'm going to enable color population. No, I'm going to remove that. Okay, consider graph was directed. Okay. Okay, I think yes, I need the 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 colors there. So here it is. I've colored this, whereby I came back to color mapping and I colored again because now I have two Tulip files because the other one kept on closing automatically. I don't know why. So since I wanted to also show you the adjacency matrix view, I um, I had to make sure I I create another Tulip file such that I can show you how it is done. So you can see I've moved it in ascending order, and when you pull close enough, you can see that it shows you different airport codes. Let me close this. So this is basically how it is. So I can just put in center view, and yeah. So this is the adjacency matrix view. And so according as how my presentation puts it, I'm working on the global airport network visualization and analysis. And my project overview has been to visualize and analyze global airport connectivity patterns. So as you have seen that my airports have been 460, or you can also call them the nodes. And then I've had 465 flight routes, which you can also call them the edges. So as according to also this data, I have uh, I have 139 different carriers, 139 different airplanes, if I'm to call them, or airline carriers, yes. So The visualization goal was to reveal hub and spoke patterns in the global air travel, identify major region connection points, analyze airline distribution across regions, and without just wasting time. So my data source, of course, was cargo, and then you can see just as how we created it. The other side, this is it, here it is, and then I've given the key features and the insights that I've put in there. Then you can see this is my network visualization. I've used the force directed to make sure it looks the way it looks. And as you can see, by the way, Honolulu comes out as a very critical, this HNL is a short form of, is a code for Honolulu Airport, and it is a very critical Pacific hub. Then you can see this is a adjacency matrix visualization, and I also created a parallel coordinates visualization. Yeah. So these are the key findings. For example, Honolulu, there is Dubai, there is London Heathrow, there is Atlanta and Singapore. All these are very, very, very critical global hubs, airport hubs, because they have a lot of routes coming in and going out. And these are the key findings. In North America, a dense domestic network with a hub and spoke pattern and stuff like that. I don't want to go through all these because I don't want to waste time. And my key findings, there they are. I also talked about the analysis techniques like color mapping, which I've shown you, and size mapping. And I've also done some other visualization techniques like geographic, force-directed layout, adjacency, matrix, parallel coordinates. I think I'm going to show you parallel coordinates at the end so that you can see what I did. So here, the future improvements. I think that it would have been better if the data had the passenger volume, the flight frequencies, seasonal variation, historical trends, and stuff like that. And learning outcomes, as you can see, basically the applied network visualization technique to real-world data, created effective multivariate and geospatial visualization, and then finally extracted meaningful insights from complex network data. So I've come back here uh, I've come to show you the parallel coordinates view. So I'm going to first select airport code, then I'm going to select country, and then I'll select latitude, longitude, and vmetric. Yeah, and then I just close it like that. Then you can see here it is. This is what I actually did here, as you can see. And you know, for example, you can see the relationships between geographic position and connectivity. You can see the country-based patterns in airport importance and outliers with unusual combination of attributes. You can all see them on this uh, on this parallel coordinates visualization. So basically that's my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice time.